going to make a drink. I don't know if you all have made these ingredients ahead. So we're going to start with this really delicious rum. Appleton's 8-year, and I'll just kind of do a little bit of a conversion as I go. For those of you who are working in ounces. So 50 mils, we're just going to go 60 for fun because that's an even 2 ounces.
There you go.
Yeah.
Lean into it.
Yeah, for sure. There you go. I might have to jump out and get ice because I put the ice back in the freezer when we were starting this.
All good.
The pleasures of home bartending.
This is the perfect setup. You know? The bar there.
This is our, I guess I'll go in order here. So Peach Miso ferment that I put on earlier this week. This was just like during peach season. Peaches, castor sugar, and actually I used castor sugar and a little bit of miso, which for that person that asked the sake question, you could definitely grow your own koji if you wanted to. It's just that miso is so readily available and it's kind of easy to get your hands on. So we're going to do 1.5 ounces of that, or 45 mils. And then what I did I do 15 mils of just lime juice.
Let's see.
There we go. You could also like cut this down and do like 7 mils of lime and add a little bit of verjus, which I use quite often. I find verjus to be, depending on who the winery was, it's just a byproduct of wine production. Got a little bit of a vinegary quality as well. And that really cuts down on the amount of lime juice that you have to use. And it's also shelf stable, so you don't have to worry about it going off as quickly. And grab ice. Can't believe it.
We'll be here. We'll throw it up again here.
There we go. Luckily, I had the little Cambro all ready to go.
Perfect. Timothy says hi from Navy Strength in Seattle.
Oh, nice. Hi. It's so weird not being able to see the people that I'm having a chat with.
Great.
There we go. This is probably going to get really loud. I don't know.
We'll be all right.
Shaking many drinks online, you know?
Sounds fine. It's actually it's nice to hear it again.
Yeah, I know. This is a nice sound. So you can, I actually changed the recipe after having a couple of these last week, and I'm going to double strain this. I think the original said just shake and dump tiki style in there, but I found it a lot nicer and a little bit cleaner to double strain. And that's our boy. It's super delicious. It's definitely on the funkier scale of things, which I think goes really nicely with the Appleton's rum. It's got a little bit of funk. So like anytime you're using like a fermented ingredient, it just lends itself really nicely to terroir style base spirits. I find, I'm just kind of speaking from my own experience. I really like using them with like rums or tequilas or things that you can kind of taste the terroir, because they have their own terroir, and when you match up the things that you're fermenting, it just has this really like lovely synonymous quality that is so tasty. And now I get one of these. This is nice.
There you go. Winning. All right. So just some contact info to share with you guys. Kelsey at thetrashcollective.com, at TrashTiki. Tip jar, PayPal, Kelsey at thetrashcollective.com. Or there's another one with the link on Crowdcast. I know you're donating. Do you want to talk about that?
Yeah, I'm going to donate all the, so I think because I'm not too sure if anyone's going to have any troubles or like extra fees to send it up here to Canada. So I think maybe I'll post a link in my bio or something where you guys can donate to somewhere in the States. And then I'm just going to donate that all to the Bartenders Benevolent Fund up here in Canada, so that it just goes straight back into the hospitality industry.
That's awesome.
Thank you so much.
So rad. Really appreciate it. We're going to bring on Josh, who's been waiting patiently.